can you find the value of x from the quadratic equation? All right, so over here we have two different methods. One is that we can use the quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root upon 2a. And the other method is called middle term breaking. All right, so first we'll solve with the middle term breaking. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. So minus 3 plus minus 3 minus 2 is equals to minus 5x, and when we multiply minus 3 and minus 2, we'll be having plus 6. All right, is equals to 0. So we can write it as x. So we take the x common from first two terms, and we'll be having x minus 3, and we'll take minus 2 as common, so we'll be having x minus 3 to the 6 is equals to 0. So now we take x minus 3 common, and we'll be having x minus 2 left is equals to 0. So we'll put each of the factor equals to 0 one by one. So x minus 3 is equals to 0, which is equals to x is equals to 3, right? And when x minus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to 2. All right, now with the quadratic formula, we have a is equals to 1, we take the coefficient of x square, b is equals to minus 5, coefficient of x, and c is equals to 6. All right, so we'll plot into the formula. So x is equals to minus b minus of 5 plus minus b square minus 5 square minus 4, a is equals to 1, and c is equals to 6 under root. All right, upon 2, a is equals to 1. All right, so now we'll solve this. So minus minus plus 5 plus minus 5 5 is 25 minus 4 6 are 4 1 6 1 is 6 6 2 is 12 6 3 is 18 6 4 is 24. All right, over 2. Therefore x is equals to 5 plus minus under root 1 upon 2. Therefore we can write it as x is equals to 5 under of root of 1 is 1, so over 2. Now x is equals to 5 plus 1 over 2, and x is equals to 5 minus 1 over 2. All right, so 5 plus 1 is 6, so x is equals to 3, right? And 5 minus 1 is 4, so x is equals to 2. So we have the same answers from the middle term breaking and from the quadratic formula. Hope you like the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching.